She wants to fight with me. She's like, we're gonna fight, yo. Oh my god, you pooped on my finger. Dirty birdie. Why you want to poop on a guy's finger for? That's Everett for you. That's Everett for you. Tiniest bird in the room and she fights everybody.
Anna's hiding behind your beard, by the way.
It's good camo. Look at her. She blends in with my beard.
Yeah. She's falling off of your back.
Of course. She's got talents, dude. She ain't falling nowhere. I can feel them in my skin.
Oh wow, Dad. It's just pleasant. It's very pleasant. Dad. Ah, no, stop. Don't touch my bird, bro.
Don't touch your bird, bro.
Don't touch my bird,
They're
bro.
gonna fight, bro.
No, give me my bird back.
Oh, Dad, she did shit on your shoulder.
I know.
Stop. Give me back my bird. Okay, I'm taking back my bird.
My bird, bro.
I'm taking back my bird.